Today we want to look at the construction of a common external tangent to two unequal circles. The common external tangent is a line that will just touch the two circles at a point on the circle here. We are going to look at how to construct that. Now, first of all, you'll be given the two circle sizes. This one is diameter 90, this one is diameter 40, and they are 105 millimeter apart. First of all, we have to draw these two circles here. Now, going into your outline layer, you select the circle command, the center and diameter, and anywhere in the space, open outward and type your measurement of 90. Press enter. The second circle will be drawn 105 away. Using your line command, locking in at the center of the circle, go outward 105. At this point here, you now draw the other circle, which is diameter 40. Circle command, open outward, type 40. You remove this line, and you can center mark the circles as shown. In the annotate section, center mark, I'm going to click on each of the circles, we'll drop the center line. Go back to your home tab, select these two, and place them in your center line layer. You have now drawn the given circles. Let us now carry out the construction to obtain the common external tangent. Now, your dimension layer, dimension your circles. This one is diameter 90. The other one, diameter 40. Right click, properties, change this setting, fit setting, turn this off. Use your match properties, click on this one. So the two will appear in the same manner. Now, the first step in the construction is to take the distance of this circle, the radius, from here to here, which will be half of 40, which is 20. Okay? And draw a line from this point on the big circle going inward. Type 20. So you'll have a line here. Now, using your radius command, lock it in at the center point here and open outward to the end of your line. Wait for the square to light up. This should now be a construction line. Now, draw a line from the center here to this point here. This line, we have to draw a semicircle on it. Okay? So in order to draw the semicircle, we have to bisect this line, divide it into two. So in order to divide this line into two, using your circle command again, radius, at this point lock it in, open outward and make sure you cross in half the line. Drop this circle there. Select this circle and copy it picking it up at the center point here and dropping on the other end here. Wait for the triangle to light up. Drawing a line from this point here straight to this point here. You will obtain the midpoint, which is here. You can lengthen these lines a little bit. And we can clean up this drawing by doing this. Draw a circle here, draw another one here, and trim everything outside of it. Your trim command move this circle and this one. All these lines should be in your construction line layer. Now, using your radius command again, lock it in the center where the triangle lights up, or the intersection point here, open outward. And this point here, center of the circle, and drop a line. Now, you don't need this whole circle, so you could trim off the below half of the circle. You could use the break command, click on break, come anywhere here, so click on it on this side here and click, so you will actually break this piece of the circle out. Now that you've obtained this semicircle, we are interested in this point here, where this arc, the semicircle crosses this inner circle. Drawing a line from this point, center, to this point here, the intersection. This again will also be a construction line. We could go and work in the construction line later by setting it. Now, lengthen this line until it crosses the circle like that. This point here, the point of where the tangent will be drawn at. So taking this line, copying it now, picking it up at the center point here, and dropping it at the end center point here. So the 2 points of tangency will be at this point, here, and here. So let us now draw a line. Turn on your outline layer, and draw a line from this point here to this point here. Lengthen it on either side. This line is your common external tangent. Your drawing here is basically completed. You basically have to label everything as you will see it like this. Okay, so your finished drawing will be this here. This is your complete draw. Place in the lettering, measurements, labeling the point of tangency, and labeling these points here. Point of tangency.